guys, just a little introduction before I start this video off. My name's Kurt, and we'll be going over the answers today for educational technology. First question asked to give an example of an informal learning community, and I would say that something like a club activity is more of an informal learning activity, or a sport. Sport's more structured though. I'd say a club that meets up randomly on any day, like a science club or a math club, you don't really have the goals or standards. It's just people that want to learn about math that do research by themselves. I have been a part of a few informal learning communities. I'd say I'm part of a German dance group that's kind of just like show up if you want to show up. They'll give you times to practice the dances, and then you learn them at your own pace, and then when you're ready you can go participate in shows that they're showing. I've also been in like a science club that was unstructured. We all got events that we were participating in, and we did our own research for each event. I had an astronomy event, I researched astronomy. So the second question asks, how will we address the transparency problem in our classroom? And first I wanted to start off with what is the transparency problem. And from what I took away from the readings is that it's students not understanding the rules of the game or wanting to exploit the game, and then they might not take away what the actual educational purpose of that game was. And I'd say if I were to address that issue in my classroom, I would give out instructional objectives for each student, stating the rules and then stating what they should be taking away from the lesson. And then the third question asks us to name our two most important skill areas for educational games. And I think the first most important is simulation. If a student is not able to take what they learned in the classroom and apply it in the real world, then it has no value to them at all. The second is multitasking. We're becoming a more technological world where your focus has to switch from one thing to another really quick, and I think that in the future multitasking will be a more important thing in schools that children will really need to learn how to do.